Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying service and powering things fresh. First, make sure your carrier plan includes personal hotspot and cellular data is enabled. Once done, open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot and flip the switch on. If the option doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and the device you want to connect. A quick reboot often restores missing menus. You're doing this to ensure the phone has network authorization and a clean state before you configure Wi-Fi sharing. Now configure how you'll share the connection and why each method matters. Set a secure Wi-Fi password and personal hotspot so others can't join. This prevents data misuse. To connect, pick Wi-Fi on the client and select your iPhone SSID, or pair via Bluetooth for lower power, or use a USB cable for stable speeds. Once devices share an Apple ID, Instant Hotspot lets you join without a password. Make sure to watch the status bar to confirm a client is connected. Finish by ensuring software and settings won't block tethering. Install any iOS and carrier updates, then test the hotspot again. If the client still won't connect, reset network settings, which clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN entries so corrupted settings can't interfere. Make sure to re-enter saved passwords afterward. If nothing changes, try toggling airplane mode for a quick network refresh or toggle personal hotspot off and on. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm tethering is provisioned on your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.